how to make a poll on your Instagram story. Now, it's really easy to do. So let's go and jump straight into it. Now, the first step is you need to load up Instagram and head over to your profile page. Now, click on the camera icon in the top left hand side and select Add to your story. You can then upload either a photo or a video and then click on the sticker icon from the right hand side. Now, click on the search box and type in the word poll. Click on poll from the list of options and then go and type in your question. Now, by default, the answers will either be yes or no. You can go and change these by clicking on each of them, and then you can type out your own custom answers. You can also add more than one answer by pressing add another option, and you can add multiple answers like so. If you click on the color palette at the top of this page, you can go and customize the color of the poll. Once you're finished, press done and select add to your story. Now, to view the results of your poll, you can load up your Instagram story. You can then swipe upwards and here you'll find your poll results.